Unprecedented. That's the word used to describe this time. It's the word that most of us will think of when we think of our 8th grade year. Our normal day of catching up with friends at lunch, class assignments, show choir rehearsals, sports events, and of course, having a little drama, has disappeared. Our normal has morphed into Zoom meetings, walks to nowhere, a truckload of Netflix, and I even participated in my first virtual birthday party. It's definitely not what we expected our last year of middle school to be like. I know I'm not the only one who thinks about how much I miss that so-called normal. When school was canceled, I was so disappointed that I wouldn't get to see so many of my friends before they went off to high school. I was also sad I wouldn't be able to say goodbye to my teachers. So, even though I can't say it in person, thank you for all of your help this year. There can never be a better group than the Franklin staff. I know that's something I'll remember forever. Unprecedented. Something that is not known. Something that hasn't been experienced before. That's intimidating when you think about it, right? Personally, I think this is a time of strength. This is a time where we have given up our normal to do what's best for the whole. It's really hard to give up normal, but I found something really interesting. The whole world has surprised me. People are still focused on doing the best they can, and that's amazing. I can't tell you how wonderful it has been to see the world find its own way of healing. With the help of our teachers, parents, families, and friends, even though it may be virtually, we have found our own ways to heal, cope, and grow. And isn't that what a whole middle school experience is all really about? Sure, this time is unprecedented as we move from middle school into our next chapter. But we may find that this time may have prepared us to be stronger, kinder, more grateful to those around us. We've made sacrifices, but we have also forged the tools to face our futures. As Sydney Mohit said on Twitter, behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Around you, all who love you. Within you, all you need. Thank you.